ist ja dein Fachgebiet.
All the way down, please. All the way down, please.
Please step in the room, make room for everyone.
Watch your step.
Stay there, so that I know when I see you, I know we're all here. Great. So welcome.
So interaction. So, wer kann denn die
It's actually from where the meaning. You can see a picture of the first switchback roller coaster actively in 1843. A switchback roller coaster where you had to walk up 2 stories and then you sat in little cars 2 by 2, and there are 3 bumps downhill. It's a 7-second ride, and it was the craziest thing anybody in Denmark had ever experienced in 1843. So have a little look at that and then come with me upstairs.
Also ich finde die... Ja. Oh, 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 oh.
Wo sind die, ne?
You can stand on the tracks, not a problem. It doesn't run here. Monitored by computer by the manufacturers. If something's wrong, we can phone the manufacturers and they ride attendant job that requires real skill. Because usually, you know, if you run a carousel or something like that, you press a green button for go and you press a red button to load and unload and evacuate the ride, and that's it. Running the roller coaster, you actually need to be able to analyze or read the track and the train. Because your ride will depend on how many people are on the train, what's the weight of the entire train, what's the weather like. In wet weather, the track is slippery, but you need to control the brakes. It's a silent When we want to get the trains back out onto the track, it's through the
Was hast du jetzt gemacht? Kaum kommt sie rein, hat sie alles kaputt. Was ist das für genau?
It's the engine room. This engine runs the endless wire that you see here that pulls the train to the top.
So, nochmal aufstellen!
Something that's off, we need to be able to tell people where it is. So the other end is the top. It's where it's the highest point of the roller coaster, obviously. This is called the NIM because it's next to the NIM building. There's one of the bends we call the Swede because it's the other way round than most of the other bends, and old days, the Swede used to drive on the left-hand side of the road. So weird thinking, but there you are.